Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your analytics aren't showing on your Lovable website, zero traffic, missing events, or data stack at zero, don't worry. In Lovable 2026, tracking issues are usually caused by wrong placements, unpublished changes, blocked script, consent settings, domain mismatches, or caching. Okay, so in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix analytics not tracking in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So common analytics not tracking symptoms like zero visitors showing, works in editor preview not live, events not firing, data stopped suddenly, desktop tracks, mobile doesn't, real-time shows nothing. Okay, so first thing you can do is confirm you are using the right analytics tool. So most sites use Google Analytics. Okay, so make sure you have a GA for measurement ID. Okay, don't use old IDs deprecated, so using the wrong ID equals no data. So then save and publish after adding analytics. So this is the most common fix. So analytics won't work until the site is published. So click save, click publish, updates or update website, wait for confirmation. Preview mode doesn't trigger analytics. Okay, you can also place the script in the correct location. So analytics must load site wide. So add the script inside settings, then costume code or integrations, or in the global layouts or head, not a single page. Avoid placing it inside text blocks or embeds. Site-wide placements ensures every page is tracked. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.